Welcome to your dream coastal retreat in Condo Hills. I'm Heather VanderMyde.
And I'm Will Gregg. Today we're exploring the beautifully renovated second floor condo that is just steps away from the iconic Outer Banks beaches.
Located between the highways, this condo offers the perfect balance of ocean views and easy access to local attractions, dining, and shopping.
This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is light-filled and spacious. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas. Check out these gorgeous upgrades: quartz countertops, a tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances.
Not to mention the new flooring and a 2022 hurricane-rated slider that leads to your private balcony. From here you can catch both sunrise and sunset. Morning coffee with ocean views? Sign me up.
And with the beach just a short stroll away, your day starts and ends with the sound of the waves. The amenities here are just as impressive.
There's a gazebo, a pool, a grilling area, a dining area, and a nice outside space where you could walk your dog.
And don't forget your ground floor storage near your assigned carport, perfect for storing your beach gear.
This condo comes fully furnished and decorated in a breezy coastal theme. It's ready for you to move in or rent out with a proven community rental history.
And speaking of upgrades, nearly 85% of this building has been rebuilt since 2019. New siding, decks, and all assessments are fully paid. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, second home, or primary residence, this condo is the best choice.
Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own between the highways in Kill Hills. Schedule your showing today.
And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining.
Like and subscribe. That's all we ask.